Eagle Burgmann India is the world leader in manufacturing of mechanical seals and seal support systems. It's a global alliance between Eagle and Burgmann, the NOK and the Frodenberg Group. Our parts are fully engineered products made from exotic materials. These parts demand a high precision of engineering, a very strong and reliable machine tool to machine those parts. Haas was one of our partners in this journey, having brought the first 5-axis VMC machine in the year 1998 to start manufacturing parts which were manually made on, GPMs. It was a prestige for us, considering that this machine had an integrated 4th and 5th axis, one of its kind, first in the market. I am pleased to tell you that the machine still is giving service for its products. We are associating with Haas by having a population of 30+ machines in our shop floor. As I told you, these machines demand a high level of precision machining, 5-axis machining, 4.5-axis machining, and the advantages of having a Haas machine helps us to overrule and understand that their machine has something built in which overlooks the competition. They have the biggest advantage that they have a SMTC which can give you 50 tools, which is rarely found in the market. Considering that our batches are small, we make 1 to 3 pieces. They demand that we have a high number of tools. And if my tool magazine isn't sufficient, I'll be having a higher setup time. To reduce these setup times, having a large ATC is an advantage. Secondly, these machines come with, inbuilt gearboxes. So considering we machine materials like stainless steel, Inconel, Hastelloy, duplex, super duplex, they demand a high precision. At the same time, they require a lot of rigidity. A spindle helped by a gearbox ensures that we get the required torque and speeds at low speeds as well as high RPMs. This ensures that our product quality, surface finish, our parts are better. And this is one more advantage. Thirdly, if you see in the market, you will find a lot of 5-axis machines, but morely you will find that 3-axis is integrated with an external 2-axis. Haas gives a inbuilt 4th and 5th axis, which has been an advantage. So there are points and reasons why Haas has been successful at achieving the product standards and the quality standards Eagle Burgmann desires. Apart from this, we also have one carbon shop. Now, carbon is a graphite machining process in which you do dry cutting. We looked across many resources and many machine tool manufacturers in the market, but we zeroed down on Haas because, number one, the product was meeting our requirement in terms of the necessary changes and the necessary guarding to be done for a dry cutting process. For example, telescopic guards were protected by special bellow covers and so forth. Electrical panels were properly insulated to ensure that carbon dust would not enter. And believe me, it's been now 9 years. We've been using the Haas TurnMill machines for graphite machining, very successfully working in our carbon shop. So basically, we come to the last part, that are these machines reliable? I can say yes. We are proud to say that these machines have reliably helped us in this process. There are 2 aspects to it. Phillipsmachinetools, with its fantastic service center very close by, has been helping us by providing the necessary spares, necessary expertise, service, training, along with their simulator rooms. And this association with Haas and Phillipsmachinetools has benefited Eagle Burgmann to keep producing more and more jobs with the least breakdown and high MTBF. So we look forward to further many years of fruitful association with Haas and Phillipsmachinetools as Eagle Burgmann grows by leaps and bounds to move towards higher growth and higher markets. Thank you.